If you've got a slug issue, you can get rid of them by using beer. I have been seeing a lot of slug trails in my garden, and I haven't seen or noticed any major damage, but slugs can be pretty detrimental to a garden. Here is a whole group of slugs just waiting to strike. So because there are so many, I'm going to go ahead and make a beer trap. I got this can for free because I asked around and somebody who doesn't drink anymore had some of this kind. But if you're going to go out and buy beer, don't get the good stuff, get whatever's cheapest. And if you don't have beer, I heard that mixing water, sugar, and dry yeast together works too. A small container will work. I have some cat food cans and a pie tin. I'll use the pie tin, and most people will tell you need to kind of bury the trap in at soil level, but I haven't needed to do that. The slugs will be so attracted to the beer that I don't think it really matters. If they can climb up your plants, then they can climb up a pie tin. And I also don't want to create extra work for myself. I'm gonna crack this can open. Ooh, I did not expect it to foam up this much. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into this pie tin. I'll give it a little bit more. And then now I am just going to place the pie tin right around the area where I saw all of those slugs. And now I'll just wait. Okay, so it is the next morning and I watered my plants in this area before remembering to check the trap. So I sprayed some water and kicked up some dirt into the trap. But if you look beyond the dirt and look closely, you can see that the slugs went in, and hopefully I got enough of them where they don't end up being a problem in my garden.